Global share markets made very robust gains in November, with the Morgan Stanley index up more than 11% in local currency terms. Wall Street made record highs, and this rally was driven by the very promising news on vaccines. So we had the announcement of 3 possible vaccines: Pfizer and Biotech, Moderna, and Oxford University and AstraZeneca. And this positive news on the vaccine outweighed the concerns about the spread of the virus in Europe and the United States. In particular, Europe actually went into a lockdown in November. So it's remarkable that we had this global share market rally during a virus threat. Markets were initially concerned about the outcome of the November 3rd presidential and congressional elections. But as the counting continued over a sequence of days, Joe Biden emerged as the new president to be inaugurated on January the 20th. Now, although President Trump is contesting the outcome of this election, it looks likely that those legal challenges will fail. However, the makeup of the Congress is still to be decided. So in terms of the 100-seat Senate, currently the Republicans have 50 seats, the Democrats 48. There are 2 seats in Georgia that require another vote on January the 5th. So we don't know the final outcome of the US Senate. Now, this is a potential concern to financial markets in the sense that if the Democrats win control of these 2 Senate seats, it's a 50-50 stalemate in the Senate. However, the Vice President, Kamala Harris, has the deciding vote. So potentially, the Biden platform of a rise in corporate tax rates by 7%, so taking the American corporate tax rate from 21% to 28%, is still a possibility. So we're still awaiting the January 5th Georgia Senate results. Leading the charge for the Australian share market was a plus 28% gain for the energy sector. In particular, the rebound in global oil prices in November favoured energy shares. But other sectors also did particularly well, such as financial sector shares. They were up nearly 16%. So we had some positive news on the bank's loan deferral programs. We're seeing a reduced amount of support, and there are signs that the Australian economy is doing better, in particular in October and November. In terms of the real estate investment trusts, we saw a plus 13% gain, and this was largely on the back of the positive vaccine development news. So the hope is that as employees return to their offices, as consumers feel more comfortable in the shopping centres, that will particularly help the real estate investment trust sector. The Australian economy appears to be getting better. In the first week of December, we had some positive news on the September quarter gross domestic product. So the economy expanded by 3.3% for the September quarter, and this follows the deep recession of the June quarter where the economy fell 7%. So the Australian economy looks like it's on the road to recovery. We've also seen some very positive signs in the leading indicators. So business and consumer surveys, car sales, job advertisements have all picked up speed over recent months, which suggests that this is a sustainable recovery.